In this session, we'll write a program which will transfer the data from microcontroller to Bluetooth module HC-05 over the UART communication, and from this HC-05 module to our mobile phones or tablets over the Bluetooth. So here I'll be using UART0 of this microcontroller at Mega2560 for communicating with our host PCs, and UART1 of this microcontroller will be using to communicate with HC-05 module. So what we'll do, we'll send some data from our host PCs to this microcontroller, which will send to this module, and finally it will come to our mobile phones. So whatever data will send from our host PCs, it will be transferred to our mobile phones, and whatever data we send from our mobile phones, that should come to our laptops. So let's go ahead and write this program. So earlier we wrote already program which could communicate in between host PCs and our microcontroller. So let's continue. So in setup already serial 0 means UART0 is already configured to 9600. So let it be configured because we'll be using UART0 for our host PC's communication with microcontroller, and UART1 will be using for HC-05 module. So I have configured HC-05 also. Now let's say you send some data from your host PCs, so it will come to microcontroller on UART0. So if anything available on UART0, so what we have to do, we have to send it to HC-05 Bluetooth module. So read this data first from UART0. So already data we read, and send it to where? Send it to HC-05. Where it is connected? UART1. So this should be serial 1. Serial 1 is connected to HC-05 module. So that's how we'll be sending from here to HC-05 module, and from HC-05 it will be transferred further to our mobile phones. And whatever data is coming from our mobile phones, that we have to send it to our host PCs, our laptops. So receive the data first. So here we have to use serial 1. Serial 1 is for UART. So receive the data from HC-05 module over the UART1. So serial 1, just read this data, and after reading, what we have to do? We have to return this data to where? To our host PCs. So where host PC is connected? Over UART0. So using serial dot write, and what we have to send? RX data. So this is a simple code and it should work now. So let's go ahead and connect our board. So for connection, let us connect HC-05 module over the UART1 first. So see this, it has, so you can see here RXT, TXD, ground, VCC and enable. So let us connect this RXD to UART1 TXD. Let's do that. So this is RXD. So we have to connect to UART1. So UART1, you can see here, its TXD is 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth pin, I have connected this RX. Second pin is TXD. So let us connect the second pin to RXT1 of microcontroller. So I'm connecting here to RXT. It is connected now. Next, its third pin is ground. So let me connect its third pin to ground. I have connected it to ground. And its fourth pin is VCC. So let me connect this fourth pin to VCC. And let us keep enable pin open as of now, because we are using data mode for our transfer. So this connection is completed. Let us connect our board and start the data transfer. Connecting this board. It is connected now. Just compile this code. Compilation has done. Uploading this program. Uploading has completed. Now let me try to connect from this laptop only with Bluetooth. So coming and opening here blue term. Let me connect. So HC-05 you can see. I'm connecting this HC-05. Code is 1234. So let me put this 1234. It is connecting now, and now this is connected HC-05. So you can see this one is connected, and let me open serial monitor here. So this serial monitor is open, and this connection for Bluetooth is also open. So let me write something, sending from Bluetooth. So it should go to the HC-05 module over the Bluetooth, and that should be further transferred to our microcontroller, and from microcontroller it will be sent to this UART0 to our host PCs. So let me send this. So we are expecting this should come to this serial monitor. Okay, there is issue with the Bluetooth communication. It is coming here, but it is corrupted. So let me change this baud rate to 38400. Compiling this, uploading the program. Now download has completed. Let me open serial monitor once again, and let me send this string once more. So now you can see it has come. So this communication is supported for baud rate 38400 for HC-05 model. So after changing, it has come to this serial monitor of host PC. And let me send something from here. Sending from host PC. So let's see whether is it going here or not. So you can see this string has come from HC-05 sending from host PC. So this normal transfer is working now. It's great. Let us do one more task. So this is a data transfer you can perform. You just receive some data in your microcontroller. So for receiving, I was sending from our host PC. You can collect from somewhere else, from GPS or something you have stored in your memory. You just collect the data in your microcontroller and send over the UART which is connected to HC-05 module. Now let's try to configure this Bluetooth module. So to do that, what we have to do? We have to connect enable line of HC-05 module to the 5 volt. So let me do that. I am connecting to the 5 volt. I have connected now the enable line of HC-05 module to the 5 volt, and let me download this code. This code is downloaded now. Let's open serial monitor and send AT command. So when we send AT command, so it should return OK. So you can see OK has come here. So this Bluetooth module HC-05 has come into the command mode. What else can we check here? We can check here. Let's say we are checking for version, AT plus version. So it will give you the version. This is the version number 2.0-20100601 and OK. You can check other thing also. Let's say what is the name of this Bluetooth module. So it will give you the name. Its name is HC-05. Let's say I'm changing this name to AT plus name equals to something. Let's say ABC HC-05. So now if we request again AT plus name, so it will come ABC HC-05. So we are getting the correct updated name. If you want to see the what is the baud rate, so you can check here. So baud rate 80 plus UART. So UART configuration you can see from here. So UART configuration is 38400. So in this way you can check many things, and I had changed this name. So let me revert it back with the help of original command ORZL. So if we issue this command, so it will restore the default configuration, right? So I have issued this command and it has responded OK. So let me do one thing. Let me request for its name. What is the name of this Bluetooth module? So this time it should come the default value HC-05. Okay, something else was there, so that has come, no problem. We can set it again. AT plus name equals to HC-05. So it has configured. Let me check whether it is configured or not. Yeah, this is configured. That's how we can use this Bluetooth module in both mode, data mode as well as command mode. So in this series, we learned how to use HC-05 module with the help of Arduino Mega microcontroller. Thank you so much for watching this series, and let me know if you have any doubts or comments. Stay tuned and we'll see you soon.